Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another video, and this is about what you looking at, tomatoes. I just did a live, hope you guys enjoy that, but I just had to make a video to tell y'all what I'm doing too in this video. These tomatoes are they cleaned, and I'm getting ready to prep them because I'm getting ready to dehydrate them because I want to make me some tomato powder. I love tomato powder, and that's exactly what I'm about to do with these tomatoes. Chop them up and make some, dry them, grind them in my Vitamix, and then preserve them in a jar. Put it in the refrigerator, because I love adding tomato powder to some of my as a seasoning on my food. But yeah, last night I dehydrated a bunch of bell pepper and garlic. I'm gonna grind that up, preserve that in a jar, and store it in the refrigerator and use it as a seasoning. I love doing this. Like I was saying on my live, I would love to have a freeze dryer. They're expensive, but I guess I can get a small one using credit, but I ain't ready to do that now. I'm just working with my dehydrator. Folks that do own freeze dryers, I enjoy watching them prepping and using that machine and seeing the results after. It's amazing. I've watched a few videos watching people use those freeze dryers. Great product, but I know it's probably killed on the juice on the electric bill. But hey, it's serving a purpose, and I love what the freeze dryer does. But I wonder if the nutrients and fibers and stuff is left in the food after it freeze dries. I'm gonna have to do my research, but yeah, I'm over here busy using my beautiful dehydrator, and I'm also at the same time making me some stuffed ground chicken turkey saucy stuffed bell pepper. That's what's cooking right now. It's got the whole house stinking with amazing aroma. And it smells so good because even from the bell pepper and the garlic, got this place smelling like a soul food kitchen. Okay. But I just had to make this video. Like I said, I did a live, but I just wanted to make a video and talk about how I'm doing these dang tomatoes. And hope you guys enjoy the live and what I'm talking about on this one. But a lot of stuff going on. I said a lot about what's going on in the live, and you want to listen to that, thank you very much. And remember, folks, I do watch y'all's videos on TV. But I got to go. Y'all take care, and thanks for coming through. Bye for now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.